Hey guys, welcome back to my trading channel. In this video, I will talk about Solana price prediction. Once again, if you watched my recent videos about Solana price prediction, I was quite bearish in the long term. And in this video, despite the pump, we have to take a look at the charts to realize whether this one is a bull trap or it is actually a bull run for Solana. We have a news coming out on Bitcoin. Someone dumped nearly $1 billion worth of Bitcoin, $2.7 billion dump that crashed the price within 1 hour. Now, that means something is going on in the market we are not aware of. Is the big crash coming? That is what we need to analyze. And again, we have to keep into account the Solana price action and see where we can make money from this token. So, with that, let's start the video. Let's talk about Solana token. Now, before I begin, let me just tell you, if you're liking my analysis and liking my videos, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and of course, join my Telegram. The link is shared in the description. So you can see here right now, this is a weekly chart. On the monthly chart, it looks quite bullish. The monthly has broken $200 resistance and now moving up, but again, the monthly candle is not yet finished. We have to wait for this week for the monthly candle to finish to realize where it is ending and where the price is going. So again, be on the sideline on the monthly chart. When we look at the weekly chart, it is still in this trap, which is your higher highs, higher lows. This one is higher highs. Let me draw it here. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows. So still there is a potential for this token to fall back to nearly $180 from the highs of $200 that it touched recently. Now this looks quite bullish still, but again, if you analyze or if you zoom out, you will see a big pattern forming. That is big head and shoulder formation for this token, which is Solana on a weekly chart. And when that happens, that is very much bearish for this token. Of course, I'm not telling you that it is going to crash to nearly $10 to $20, but again, this particular pattern indicates a big bearish momentum is around the corner, and that means you have to be careful if you're buying long term with high leverage because that will take you out from your position. So overall, I can say I will wait for this week's candle to finish, and of course, with the weekend, the monthly candle will also finish. When that happens, we will be clear by the end of this week that where the market is going, where Solana token is heading. If it crosses above yellow line and pumped really hard this week, again, that means Solana is bullish to me and I will be waiting for it to pull back to enter it again. But overall, I will be on the sidelines because even on the daily chart, if you see, despite this pattern being very bullish, if you look at here, this pattern is kind of very bullish for any token. That means it will scale up. But again, for this to come back, it has to pull back to value which is $180. And from here, it has to again pump up to nearly $200 before moving up. So overall, I will say I will remain on the sideline for the Solana token. I'm not buying it, I'm not selling it, but on the long term horizon, I will be bearish about this token. Of course, at the end, I can say this is the best time to short this token. You can short it up by keeping the target, or you can say the most target of $210 as a stop loss, and as a profit you can target $127, or on a conservative way you can target around $180, which is right over here, which I believe it will soon hit in this or maybe next week if it goes bearish in the short term. So clearly a good opportunity to short it. I am not doing any short and long because it is not a clear pattern, but overall, because of the head and shoulder pattern, right now I will be waiting on the sideline and we'll see how the price act. Overall, I will be bearish for this week and for next week. The monthly candle and the weekly candle for this week will decide whether to go bullish or bearish. What are your views about this token? Comment below, let me know. With that, I complete my video. Do remember to press the subscribe button, also press the bell icon, and let's meet tomorrow in the new video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.